Intuit TurboTax will help you pick the best filing status for your situation based on your answers about your household in My Info section. There are 5 filing statuses. Your filing status determines your tax rate, the deductions and credits that you are eligible to claim, and is based on your situation as of December 31st. You can choose married filing joint or married filing separate each year, but married filing joint is usually better. Married filing separate is a penalty status of sorts because you won't get some common credits including the Earned Income Credit, education credits, and others. Married taxpayers can compare the tax outcomes of married filing jointly with married filing separately. In TurboTax Online, create 3 accounts. Create an account for each spouse filing separately and one for both spouses filing jointly. Then compare the results. In TurboTax Desktop, enter a married filing joint return with the tax information for both spouses. Then switch to Forms mode. Go to Open Form, type in What, and then click the What If worksheet. Select Married Filing Joint versus Married Filing Separate at the top. Then compare the results. Need more help? Visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.